So far, the 2 digits and 2 digits have not totaled more than 10. Well, on page 155, okay, we're looking at numbers that are going to total more than 10, which means we're going to have to do what's called regrouping. Okay? What, James?
I'm confused.
I haven't even explained it yet.
So what was...
James, give me time. I haven't explained it yet. So you're going to be confused until I explain it. Okay? So, let's go to the book so you can see it. Alright, so put your fingers on keywords, your new vocabulary for today. First one is model. What is a model? Layla, what's a model? You gotta speak nice and loud. Okay, I can't hear you. Kylie, what's a model? Brayden, what's a model? Nice and loud so I can hear you. Just, what's a model? Brock, what's a model?
It's like a picture that you like make to figure out an equation.
Okay, in our case, our models are going to be pictures, right? We've used models of pictures of our base 10 or blocks, right, that we're going to use for you want to see the bottom of the page? Come on. Why are you not working? All right, regroup. Does anybody know what it means to regroup something? Kari?
So, like, if you have three tens and 12 ones, you make the 10 and the ones and tens group,
Okay.
and then you leave the two.
Okay, you're on the right track. And then ones and tens, we know the ones are on what side of a number? Brayden? The ones are on the right, and the tens are on the, Wasim? Left. Okay? So let's look at this. Sophia has 3 sheets of 10 stamps each, or 30 stamps in all. Then she buys 40 individual stamps. How many stamps does Sophia have now? So, what's she, Charlotte? In just a minute. So, here we see she has her 30 stamps, right? 10, 20, 30. You with me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then she buys 14 individual stamps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Got it? I need everybody's eyeballs on the board. Put your pencils down. You don't need to be doing anything. Stop flipping through the pages. I need your eyeballs on the board. Eyeballs on the board. Okay. So she has her 30, and then she has her 14. Okay? So, to make it easier to count, we are going to regroup, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to regroup the ones, okay? If we have 14, can we make a 10 block?
Yes.
Yes. Okay? So, here's what we're going to do. We're going to count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're going to take that 10 and we're going to make it a 10 block. Okay? So now to solve it, we're going to count 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay? we've moved these, so now these are gone. Okay? How many ones do we have left, Brock?
4.
4. So, 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Okay? Do you see how they did that? Do you see how they did that?
Yeah.
Okay? So we're going to use our ones. If we had 11 over here, could we make a 10 block?
Yeah.
Yep. If we had 18 over here, could we make a 10 block?
Yes.
Yes. And we're going to take those 10 and we're going to move it to a 10 block. That makes it easier to count, right? Instead of counting 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, okay? We're going to make it a little bit quicker by finding 10 and moving it to a 10 block. Now all we have to do is 10, 20, 30, 40, and 4 makes 44. You following me? James.
I don't get how it makes it quicker because you still have to count all the things.
But you know 10, 20, 30, 40, and 4 is left over. 40 plus 4 is 44.
But you,
Otherwise, you'd have to count 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44.
technically, you kind of do.
We're regrouping, James.
Oh.
All right, so let's look at number 1. Not that tiny. All right, number 1. Why is my page not even? All right, number 1. So you have 5 tens and 13 ones. Okay? So look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And your 13 ones. Okay? Oh, wrong page. Sorry. It moved on me. Alright, sorry, it moved on me. Alright, so we have 3 tens and 12 ones. So your original color is going to be what? Malachi, you can't do this if you're not looking at your book. Sterling, what's our original color? Yellow. Okay? So, 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. And our 12 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? Everybody with me so far? Kari, put your pencil down. Everybody with me so far?
Yeah.
Okay. So, we have 12 ones. Can we make a 10 frame out of that?
Yes.
Or a 10 block?
Yes.
Yes. So, they've already circled the 10, and they've already moved it over. So, our new 10 block is what color? Brock?
Red.
The red color. Okay? So, now, how many 10s do we have? Jordan? Hollis?
4.
We have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So down here, put 4 tens. Go sharpen your pencil now. We have 4 tens now. Okay?
Right over there.
Then, do we count the ones that are circled?
No.
No. Why do we not count those? Bryce?
Because that made it 10.
Right, so those are like gone now, right? Okay, so 4 on the floor. So how many ones do we now have left over, Wasim? 2. So we have 4 tens and 2 ones. You should be writing this down. You should be writing. Where'd your pencil go? You had it. Look in your desk. I know, look in your desk. Look around your desk on the floor. You just had it. Look. I know you did. Alright, so we took 3 tens and ones, and what we did is we simplified it. Okay? We made it 4 10s and 2 1s. Okay? Let's look at number 2. We're starting with 1 10 and 16 ones. Can we take those 16 ones and make a 10 block?
Yeah.
Yes. What do you mean? What? Hurry up. Alright, so they've already circled the 10 and they've moved it over for you. So how many 10s do you have now? Bryce?
2.
2. So now we have 2 10s. So write that down. 2 10s. And how many ones do we have, Taylor? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you count the ones that are already circled? No. Don't make the mistake and count the ones that are already circled. Because once you circle them and move them to a 10 block, you have to pretend like they're gone. If you need to put an X on those 10, then do it. Okay? You don't want to count those by accident. Alright, so we went from 1 10 and 16 ones to 2 10s and 6 ones. Okay? Yes.
I don't get like how can you have them more than 10 and 1 because it just makes another 10.
Right. And that's what we're doing. We're simplifying it. Instead of having like 21, we're making them into 10 to make it easier. Okay? Alright, turn the page. What was he? Quickly. Turn the page. I want you to try 3 and 4. I want you to try page 3 and number 3 and number 4.